Hello everybody, and today I'm drawing again in my Pentalic sketchbook, and I'm using a Sharpie pen. In this, I'm drawing a lot of organic looking designs, repeating patterns of leaves. This was a quick drawing that didn't take me very long to create, and I just wanted to do a little bit of practice drawing patterns, and I've been in the doodle mode, as you could say, of being really scribbly, and I just want to draw something a little bit different, go kind of old school with my drawing of drawing repeating patterns. But this was a short drawing and it didn't really take me that long to create, and I've got so many of these videos recorded and things that I'm working on with drawing that I sometimes get confused between all the files that I have on my computer, between all the videos and everything else. But I'm having fun creating all of this, and hopefully I can get all of this done and edited so that you all can see all of the creations that I've made. So thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day and have fun drawing.